Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2018 Harley Davidson Softail Slim. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2018 Harley Davidson Softail Slim with 3,633 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with a keyless ignition and has been upgraded with Vance & Hines slip-on mufflers, Harley-Davidson grips, side covers, a shifter, Screaming Eagle ignition cables, aftermarket 12-inch handlebars, and LED turn signals. Powered by a 107 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Softail Slim puts 110 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 5-gallon fuel tank, the Softail has a 200 to 235-mile fuel range. It has a 26.1-inch seat height and a wet weight of 671 pounds. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and the rear is at 630 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride, found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted that the exhaust pops on deceleration. We posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a dent on the front fender, discoloration on the front wheel, a stain on the fuel tank, and discoloration on the rear wheel. This bike has 2 keys and 2 fobs, a clear title, and we have purchased the Cycle Checks Vehicle History Report. This bike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.